Well, this is Pat Walker, Mission Winners. Hope you're all having a good Independence Day weekend. Enjoy time away from the machines, and may we all enjoy our freedoms and never take it for granted, regardless of where you are in the world. Thankful for our freedoms. So let's take it from the top. QLD. Something I like to do is look at the ETFs by sectors and see what's strong and what's weak. Avoid weakness, focus on strength. Here's QLD. We have the weekly chart on the left, daily on the right. As you can see, sucker's hitting all-time highs. What has that told us? And it's told us this for a while. It's outperforming the market. Just take a look at this QLD chart. You're going to look at SSO in a minute and go, that's not near as strong as QLD. QLD, the big NASDAQ 100, big technology stocks. Money is flowing there, and we don't argue with it, which is why we participated in it. Moving on up. Let's continue onwards. Oh, by the way, on Friday, Thursday, gaps up, runs up and faded a little bit, but less volume. The trend is still up. Okay, SSO. Look at SSO. Look at the weekly chart. Here's QLD, all-time highs. Here's SSO, way off all-time highs. What does that tell you? Avoid the SSO, the spider, the big S&P 500, a lot of them, it's lagging, okay? It's lagging. Look at the daily chart, all-time highs. This hardly took out the highs from a couple of weeks ago. There you go. Let's continue onwards. TNA, look at this. Look at this. Oh, I need to buy some small cap stocks. What we do is forget the ego. Let the chart tell you what to do. Focus on this right here. Looks pretty strong. Not as strong. Definitely not as strong. Small cap. By default, what does that mean? We've been staying away from the small cap stocks. It's that simple. We don't argue with it. GDXJ. Gold miners touched highs here on the weekly, but notice this. Ran up and tailed off. Tailed off. What's it need to do? Push through these tops with volume and close strong. But it was met with selling. You can say, how can I say that? Look at how it closed. GDXJ or GDX, big cap, gold miners, similar situation. SMH. Now this is a decent looking chart. Look at the daily. Look at the weekly going across these tops. And isn't that interesting? Gosh, let me think. Semiconductors. Oh yeah, technology. Oh, where's technology? Oh yeah, the NASDAQ 100. There you go. That's taking the information and arriving at conclusions to help you make money. Oil services. Look at this. What does that tell you? Oh, it might come back. Forget the ego. Just get in line with what is. Ain't nothing there. Energy. Same thing as oil services. There's nothing there. Now, eventually it may come back. But for right now, why look for the bottom when you can find strength in other areas? Here's the IBD 50, kind of going up, all right? But it's lagging a little bit here, all right, as you can see. Technology, North American technology, leading it. Let me think, technology. Gosh, what index is heavy in technology? Oh, the NASDAQ and the NASDAQ 100. There you go, further confirmation. This is also why we've been involved with technology for a while. NASDAQ 100 QQQ, similar situation. XLK, technology, hitting highs. There you go. Again, no bias. Let the charts tell you what to do. Healthcare, just going sideways, nothing really special in relation to other things. Software, technology, strong. Metals and mining, look at the weekly, nothing there. Daily, nothing. Home builders, just going sideways, nothing really special. Biotechnology, why has this been going up? Well, COVID-19 research, there you go. Moving up. Is there a really clean spot here? Maybe going through here around 140, needs volume, shorter base. IWM, same thing as TNA, nothing there, small cap. Select, sectors, materials. Materials picking up a little bit, maybe a cup and a handle, no real leadership there. Biotechnology, as I stated, strong. Financials, lagging. Mid cap, just kind of going sideways. Same thing as you're going to see another one. IWM, TNA's lagging, IJH is lagging. Here's the spiders, S&P 500. Not a leadership position, but it's outperforming some of the other indices. What's the strongest one, though? The big NASDAQ's the big strong one. There you go. Consumer discretionary, hanging in there. By the way, I'm going to pause for a second. I said this the last couple of weeks. I'm going to say it again. I encourage you, don't dwell on the news too much. If you look at the news and study the news, it looks like the end of the world in so many different ways. But then you look at the technology stocks, the technology indexes, they're doing great. If you would let the bias of the news say, I can't buy anything. No, we've got to stay away. The economy's cracking apart. The economy's cracking apart, and technology, the NASDAQ 100, is hitting all-time highs. What do you want to go with? I'll go with the strength. Mid-cap, lagging, nothing special, weekly and daily. Software, technology, has been leading for a while. Again, what have we been involved with? Technology in all forms and software, which is technology. Communications is starting to act a little bit better. Communications, kind of technology related. Needs to go across these tops here around 55, 60. Okay? Steel, what do you see? Nothing. I mean, this is the daily charts below the fallen 50-day. Financials, just going sideways. It'd be nice to see it take out the 50-day, but nothing there. Industrials, really nothing special. Gold, up there hitting highs. Defensive posture, there's potential with that. Retail, this is my point with retail. This is near highs. If the consumer is just getting killed, they wouldn't be spending money. Well, if they wouldn't be spending, retail wouldn't be doing what it's good as it is. And folks, I want to share something with you. This is very important. It's not an opinion. Stock, price, action, forecast the future. It's not looking at the past. It's really not wrapped up in the present. It's looking into the future. Something to consider. With everything happening, retail's hanging in there. Utilities, nothing there. Move on. Solar, picking up a little bit. No real clean spot there, but it's hanging in there. Technology related. Aerospace and defense rounds up, falls back. Nothing there. Oil, dead. Nothing there. Look at this. U.S. oil. Maybe it's going to go up. Why not focus on the strength? I can't stress that enough. Cloud computing. This is a new one. One of our VIPs mentioned this. Look at this. And what is this? Cloud computing. Oh, let me think here. What group is that in? Is that retail? Oh, no, that's metals and no. Engineering? No. It's technology. Another one, cloud computing. Strong. Technology related. Those are two new ETFs we're following. CLOU and SKYY. And back to the top with QLD. What's the big takeaway? Scan the ETFs. I'm going to do something for you right here. Here they are. There you go. Take a picture of it. I'll leave it up for a minute. Take a screenshot. And then you'll know what to scan. I do this every day. You can say, boy, does that take some time? I'm talking right now. We're at 8 minutes. I can go through this list of, 36 ETFs, whatever it is. She's a minute and 20 seconds. I'm done. I know where to look and where not to look.